Hey everybody, here's your homework video for this evening. Claire is using little wooden cubes with edge length of 1/2 inch to build a larger cube that has edge length of 4 inches. Type in the answer in the box below. How many little cubes does she need? Okay, well the first thing you might want to do is figure out what the volume is of the cube that has edge length of 4 inches. All right, and then you're going to want to do something with this 1/2 inch cube. Think about it. Think about 1/2 versus 4 inches. Think about how many extra cubes it would be. You want to try to think about what your length, your width, and your height would be if you had a cube that has 4-inch side lengths, and you want to think of what it would be, your length, your width, and height. What would that be if it had the 1/2 inch? How many would fit in there? Okay. Next one is triangle with an area of 7 7/8 and a base of 5 1/4. So you know area of the triangle is base times height divided by 2. And they give you the area of 7 7/8 and they give you the base of 5 1/4. So you do not know the height. Okay, divide by 2. So what would you have to do there to figure that out? Fill in the blank, right? Okay. Remember, you can do a little bit of dividing with these, but you may have to adjust the number based on this division by 2 here. All right, which of the following expressions can be used to find how many cubes with an edge length of 1/3 would fit in the prism that is 5 by 5 by 8? So again, I would find the volume of this prism, do that first, or at least, look for one of these expressions where that happens, and then think about how many 1/3 units would fit in there. You might want to try to solve it and then go back and look. It's up to you. A builder is building a fence with 6 1/4 inch wide wooden boards arranged side by side with no gaps or overlaps. How many boards are needed to build a fence that is 150 inches long? All right, so again, how many of these would make up this? Think of division here. What's being divided by what? Next one. Find the value of each expression and just put your answers in there. So again, it could be keep, switch, flip. And again, here you have sevenths already, so it might be a little easier. Consider the problem. A bucket contains 11 2/3 gallons of water and is 5/6 full. How many gallons of water would be in a full bucket? So again, you might want to make that diagram where you've got 6. And it's 5/6 full, and you know that 5/6 there is 11 2/3 gallon. Wait, hold on. The bucket contains, yeah. So that 11 2/3 is spread out amongst this. Okay. You might want to change this to a fraction. You know that that's 35/3 over these 5 pieces. So how many thirds would be in each one? All right. Next one. There are 80 kids in a gym. 75% are wearing socks. How many are not wearing socks? Well, 25%, right? But try to figure that out. Tape diagram or chart would work here. And then the answer's here. Lynn wants to save $75 for a trip to the city. If she has saved $37.50 so far, what percentage of her goal has she saved? That one's pretty easy. What percentage remains? Noah wants to save $60 so he can purchase a concert ticket. If he has saved $45 so far, what percentage has he saved? Okay, so remember, the money you want to save is 100%, and then the amount that they've saved so far, those are the smaller percents. Again, tape diagrams or charts on these should work. All right? All right, good luck, and hopefully I see you tomorrow. If not, maybe virtually on Friday or maybe in person Friday. We'll see.